Sleek as heck and constructed last year in Bel Air, this 9-bedroom, 17-bathroom beast makes an impression. This house in Bel Air, designed by mega mansion maker Paul McLean, has a walkway that appears to float on water, leading up to the front door, a spiral staircase to die for, an outdoor kitchen, a 30-foot waterfall, and an in-home movie theater. It's asking a cool $67 million, but what are those amenities? Why does this house cost $67 million? Be sure you watch it all the way to the end. You won't believe the crazy amenities this luxury mansion in Bel Air accommodates. Exterior. This beautiful mansion located in Bel Air has a lot to say when it comes to her exterior. There is a huge infinity pool with 160 feet, which is the longest pool in Bel Air, and the views are stunning. Could you imagine to the outside and see a beautiful landscape with many trees? Well, I would love to. Anyways, there are also gigantic walls covered by water and the exterior of the house. The mansion, located behind the gates at the bottom of a long private driveway in Bel Air, this unsurpassed modern masterpiece is arguably the crown jewel of Bel Air. Clean lines and walls of glass encase over 28,000 square feet of new construction that boast the utmost in luxury, design, and amenities. Floating steps lead into a grand 2-story entry foyer with soaring 25 feet ceilings, a wraparound reflecting pool, and direct access to expansive grounds. Designed by world-renowned architect Paul McLean, a master in luxury composition and the sharpest possible detail. Features include 9 luxurious bedroom suites, a hair salon, state-of-the-art fitness center, wine cellar, a world-class home cinema, full smart home system, and a wellness spa, boasting a massage studio, facial room, and a yoga meditation room. This resort-like oasis is the epitome of privacy, with a breathtaking 160-long outdoor pool, staggering 30-foot water wall, and outdoor kitchen surrounded by lush and mature landscaping. Inside, when you get into the house, you need to open a giant door that gets you to the living room. This 28,000 square feet house is a living room lounge with a bar where there is a coffee maker, which costs $10,000. Could you imagine drinking a coffee made from that? When you leave the living room, you see a 25 feet ceiling, and if you walk a little bit further, you enter in the entertaining area. And we can confirm the entertainment area is really good, so keep on watching. There is a wine room which has a temperature controller, and that looks like an elevator. You can also have another living room in this house that has a kitchen near it. You can also see a dining area with a table that can accommodate approximately 10 people. This living room is a more familiar one, and it also has another coffee maker. The kitchen also has marble cabins, and near it, you can visit the staff room, which is fully equipped with a kitchen and fridge and much more for the staff. In the inside of the house, you have water walls with waterfalls where you can pass good moments and even drink the water. Continuing walking inside, you see a saloon room and a meditation room where you can get some patience and meditate. There is also a sauna and steam room, which is also a shower, and after you have a resting room where you can rest and enjoy the views of the pool. Walking through, you see a jacuzzi in a room with a TV on the wall where you can enjoy yourself. This house also has a 12-car garage with a server room, toilet, and a TV as well. Second floor. Going to the second floor, you can find the master room, where you have your own beauty salon. You also have an in-suite kitchen with a wine station that preserves your wine for 60 days and another coffee maker. In the actual room, you find a sofa, a huge TV, and a king-size bed. You also have a private area near the room where you have some privacy. Afterwards, you have his and hers bathroom and a $30,000 golden shower, and we must not forget the $50,000 toilet that does it all for you. Another thing you have is his and hers closet. Cost and maintenance of this house. The cost of maintenance of this house is probably $3 million every year, plus the staff and etc. We expect this house to have like 6 or 7 staff. $1.5 million of maintenance might go for taxes and insurance. Remembering that the house costs $67 million, you would probably need to pay more than that to actually live in this house. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and be sure to turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any video just like this one. If you enjoyed this video, you're sure to enjoy this, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.